Mr. Burns.
What's up? So like I said, I've been cleaning this and I've been scraping at it for
You've been here about 5-10 minutes.
yeah, not too bad, but it was it's definitely a little crusty.
Yeah.
It's pulling up some paint, but that's because the moisture got underneath it.
That's fine. It's gonna go into the
So I can go a little
ultrasonic in a little bit. But yeah, just get it clean. And we'd rather clean this because the rail's straight. It's in really nice shape. And if you get a aftermarket China one, it's probably gonna leak and it's flimsy. And we've had enough of this problem.
No, we want to keep it OEM anyways.
It's worth a little bit of time.
Yeah, it's not a big deal. That's why I
And you showed the yucky inside.
Oh yeah, show the yucky inside. I'll be scrubbing all that too, but
Scrub a dub.
yeah, just probably another 5 minutes.
Yeah, you got it.
5-10 minutes.
Yeah. Oh wow, look at that. That's
Yeah,
yucky.
it's the pile. You see someone came in with like little shavings.
Yucky.
Let's see.
Don't stab yourself with your scraper. Just remember, it's up the road, not across the street.
What's up the road?
It's up the road, not across the street. You got a razor blade, and you're aiming at your wrist.
Oh no, we gotta go like this. Hey, come on, we don't need to put that on YouTube. Come on. Coming out.
You are?
I knew it.
I know some people would be all about that.
Oh, I know, I already heard.
Yeah.
So,
Anyway,
but yeah, shucking along.
Burnsy'd be a big hit at underwear night at the barracks.
Oh God. How do you know about this place, Bobby?
Because everybody, you're sitting on my face. And with that,
Anyway, all right, guys, go back to you in a little bit.